like when you really look for life, like right now, a little bit of people have morals. Like, what are your morals? Because everything is just fine now. Like, for instance, if you take 8 man in our crew, like it's just cool now. The Kardashian life. Because when me I grew up, me not come see my mother. I take 3-4 man one time. Even though we have different father, all of we are different age. Me are the big one, I'm Tamoki the other one, and Taki are the other one, and Raima the other one. Right? But now, them girl, so what? I'm sucking good and what? So what? I don't know. She beg me to eat, and me give her eat. And them thing they are going up on social media one time, you don't never hear next girl say she suck a next girl pussy, You don't never hear a man come out on social media and say, I'm a batty man. Anytime you say, I'm a batty man, have big news at Jamaica, No, that's not news. You just say, okay, when they hear. Remember, say, things change and things happen. Hear this now. I see them say side chick around the place now. Me not a side chick. Side chick are some little dirty girl down on some road. Right? Some girl will not even get up and go work now. All them do, you can call them and just fuck them anytime and just say, hey, I'm a whore. I'm a germs. I'm a dog. I'm a piece of shit. When you have the other woman now, the other woman is the one that you can go to and speak with in confidence. Because if you have a problem with the woman in your yard, you go to your side chick and tell your side chick, say, say, me and Debbie have problem. And you tell her where and Debbie have two tools and catch up here, and that's why Debbie did do this and that's why Debbie did do that. That's why you don't check dirty girl. The other woman I go tell her say, say you did wrong, and say you shouldn't do that. The woman apologize to the woman, even though she say she is the other woman. Side chick a girl will love mix up. Other woman give you advice. Learn that. Yo, some I don't know if I'm me or what, but yo, every one of the female dancers them do the same dance them now. If me ever see one more dance and shake her body, me I go just lose it like a little jiggle body style. Yo, God no. I want to see some different style now. Because every girl can. I know a girl can chuck in a dirt and girl can dive on a car and girl can flick and girl can do all of that. But really and truly, I want to see some girl bubble now, man. And any girl can bubble, Remember, that's why Charlie Black say any girl can bubble in a trouble, Too much chuck in a dirt now, man, and them something. We don't go to Olympics in 2020 already. But I want to see some girl bubble now. You understand? Can't remember Spice one song when them sit down on it, I want to see some girl sit down on it and a bubble. And that I want to see. Can't remember Spice have some only money where she give away for one song, Sit down on it song, So, bubble enough for bubble for the money, Don't chuck none of dirt.